Welcome back, guys. So on this video we'll configure all these parts that is showing red. We'll make sure we do all the configuration so that it can ping each other. So let's start. Let's hit the ground running. Let's go to the PC first. Let's put the IP address for the PC. Okay, our gateway will be this one. So we'll save 192.168.1.254. Then click on your fast Ethernet inside the IP address 192.168.1.1. Click on your tab key to complete. You are done with this. Minimize. If you are hovering above the PC2, you will notice that it has no IP address yet. This one we've set the IP address. When you hover above it, you can see that the IP address is set. So let's go back to this. Okay, our gateway address will be 192.168.2.254. Click on your fast internet 192.168.2.1 to complete with your tab key. Okay, we're done with this, I think. Then you go to your, let's start with this, with our R2. Always say no here. Enable Mustafa couple of conf t. Let's set our router name to R2. Say host name equals to R2. Okay, and let's assign the IP address to the G001 interface. Int G0/0/1. This is why it's good to label the interfaces. Okay, G0/1. Enter. IP address 192.168.2.254. Okay, our subnet now is 255.255.25, sorry, 255.0. No shutdown. The link light has changed, if you notice. Let's check the link light. It has changed to green. And fast forward it a little bit, you can see that it has changed to green. Go to our R1. Notice the router 1 is still showing. Router 1 is still showing red. Click on our move to our CLI. Type no. Click on enter. Enable. We use it fully. Then our host. Let's move to our configure terminal. Let's change our router name to R1. Say host R1. Then let's configure let's assign IP address to this interface. G00/1, that's int G00/1. Okay, IP add 192.168.1.254 255.255.255.0. No shots. Notice it has changed. In fast forward it a little bit. You can notice it has changed. Okay, let's configure our static route. But before I configure the static route, I want to show you something. So let's enable these two interfaces. Let's assign IP address to them. So you say int. You don't need to be typing always. You just press your upper arrow key to take you through the commands you have used before. And 0. Then the IP add. This should be 192.168.3.1 255. This slash, that is 255.255.255.252. No shots. Okay, if you notice, it's still showing red, right? Because we have not enabled this. But if I come to this route and just type no shutdown, it will show green. The link light will change to green. But let's go to this. Let's look for 0 IP add 192.168.3.2 255.255.255.252. No shots. Now assign IP address to the whole interface. Will they ping each other? I'm not sure, but let's try it before we configure our static route. Let's go to PC1, go to desktop, go to command prompt. Let's ping 192.168. Let's ping our gateway first. .1.252. Let's ping our gateway. See if oh, sorry, our gateway is 254. Let's cancel the ping. Sorry about that. Okay, notice our ping went through to our gateway. Let's go to PC2 and ping our gateway too, and see maybe it will go through. Ping 192.168.2.254. Our ping went through. So I'm back to PC1. Let's see if we can ping PC2. Dot 2.1. Notice it's saying your ping is unreachable. We lost 4 pings. So let's what do we do? Okay, let's check it in a simulation mode to see where it goes wrong. Okay, click on simulation, go back, play. Into this, it gets to our gateway, but it couldn't pass this gateway. It couldn't pass this side. It will get, it's in the gateway, but there's no instruction or command telling this the router to route the ping to another, to the northeast, to the southeast branch. So install a static route. That's where our static route comes in. The static route will help this router to know that, okay, hello, I have a message and it should be delivered to this branch. So let's go and do our static route. So on the static route, we'll put our okay. So on the static route, if we want this message, the ping from here to come to this side, we'll take this, the destination IP address with destination network mask, then with the next hub. So our next hub should be, our next hub, if it's going to this side, our next hub should be this one. Then if this one is coming to this side, our next hub should be this address here, this interface. So let's start with this. Come to this side, you exit, then IP routes. These are R1, right? So take the address of our southeast branch, 192.168.2.0, network mask 255.255.255.0. Then our next hub, we use, where should I drop this? We use this place. We said 192.168.3.2. Come to R2, do the same thing for R2, exit IP route 192.168. This should be our northeast branch, .1.0 255.255.255.0. Yes, then our next hub should be 192.168.3.1. Okay, let's go and try the ping again to see if it will work. Go back to real time, go to your PC1, to your PC1 and do ping 190. Let's see. Wow, it works. It works. Let's go to our simulation mode to see. Okay. play, it went to a switch. She sent it to the router through the gateway. It was able to cross, go to southeast zone. Our message has been sent successfully. Thank you guys. The video is somehow long, and if it's a long video it will be boring. I promise to be making a short video and a very precise one. Continue to practice. If you have any question, you hit the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and to comment on our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll attach the link to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe so that I'll grow and continue to give you what I have. We are learning together, so if I'm not doing anything right, you just hit me on the comment section. Thank you, bro.